Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I want to show you how you can delete your Instagram account. If you don't use it anymore, or there's something going on with your account and you just wanted to start all over and start fresh, here's a way you can delete all your information. That way it's not getting leaked out into the web. But first thing that you want to do is get into your home screen and go to More in the bottom here. And when you go into More, go into Settings. And in Settings, all the way down where it says Help. Go into Help, go into Help Center. When you go to the search bar, type in Delete Account. Now, the first article here is Delete Your Instagram Account. Click on that. Now, you go down where it says Go to the Delete Your Account page. You click on this link. And then it's going to ask you why you want to delete your Instagram account. And if you get into too many ads, privacy concerns, too busy, something else, I'm going to say something else. Enter in your password. And then when you are done, hit the delete button right here in the bottom. It's going to ask you if you want to delete. Are you sure? Hit OK. It will tell you a time and date when your account will be deleted. And that's all you have to do. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you really like this video, show me some love, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel also down below for more content just like this. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.